Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the pound yen, I still definitely wasn't looking at this as the end of a wave 3. We are most likely in a wave 4 right now, and one thing you definitely have to realize is corrections can be very, very messy, very, very overlapping. I think it's going to make some sort of a three-way pattern, probably down to at least a 50% for a wave 4 before it actually goes back up for a wave 5. And this is the monthly time frame, so this is probably going to take at least, probably minimum 8 months or more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, definitely a big old spike candle right here. Could possibly be the end of a wave A already. I'm not really convinced it is, but if it is, then it probably will make a correction to the move down like a wave B and then probably down again for a wave C. The only problem is that if this is a corrective wave 4, which I definitely think it is, sometimes you don't get those perfect ABC corrections. Sometimes you get very overlapping, very, very complex corrections. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, to me, it still looks like a 1, 2, 3 for sure. I really don't not convinced that this is actually over yet. I think it would likely in a wave 4 that we likely need to push down again for a wave 5 just to complete this big wave A of wave 4. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here. Now, if we get three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level with a big engulfing move to the downside, that is exactly what I'm looking for an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Definitely kind of looked like it already made a short this morning. I didn't take it as a short yet, but if it does respect this Fibonacci level again and then go down, make an engulfing move, make a break a structure, I would definitely take that as an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. I would have to see this picture right here though, because I mean it very easily could drift up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it actually does break structure to the downside and keep on going down. So if you are like a very short time frame trader, I would keep on looking for longs. I am not a short time frame trader. I'm more of a swing trader, so I personally will patiently wait for more entries to go short. Whether it happens at the 38, the 50, or the 61.8, I don't care. I'll just patiently wait for the entry I'm waiting for to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, likely the end of a wave 4, and likely go down for a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.